extending from Milwaukee to near Palmyra, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles an hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstates 94 and 894. Interstates 41 and 43. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, Fox Point, Elm Grove, Bayside, West Milwaukee, and Franklin. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions.